Hi! Today we're gonna make something with a champagne glass. You know, a funny fact of this glass is got the size of the boob of the Queen of France, Marie Antoinette. So that's a funny part to know. What do we also need is a half bowl of styrofoam. We are going to cut a part here away, like this. So this is the effect that we want. You can make it bigger, smaller, as you want. And then we're gonna use wool with different colors, so it's very nice. So you take a little bit part of the wool from the big one, and then you put it around here, you tie it up, and then you're gonna turn it around close to each other that you don't see nothing anymore of the white from the half bowl. It takes a little bit time, but when you make the base once, then you have it like forever. So you can take a color like you want it, that's up to you. But I'm working today like in the nice blue, purple colors with the wonderful Lisianthus. So that's why I choose these colors. We go in aqua, you see? So this is the effect that we wanted. If you're done, you have this result. Don't see nothing anymore of white, and you just tie them up together here, and that's very easy. For the glass, we take black floral foam, because this you can still see. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of the Marie Antoinette's boobs on the floral foam, and then you know perfectly the size. You cut it away with your knife. What is not so nice is now you see all the parts that are cut. So you take a piece of the floral foam, and you're gonna just move like this, and then you're gonna have a more nice structure because you still see a little bit apart in the glass. Then we're gonna cut it because this half bowl got a shape, so this is sitting in the way, and then we put this one above it. You see? Very easy, very nice, and very quickly made it. I choose for one type of Lisianthus. It's a smaller variety from flowers because you have big ones and you have small ones. Because this is not really a huge arrangement, so if I would put like really big flowers inside, it would not be looking so nice. We're gonna put them just like short. We cut them always with a knife, it's always better. I use like every type of stadium of the flower because you see the flower got like open flowers, more closed flowers. But the most open flower I will use more like around, and then when I go inside I will use more the closed ones, so that you have like a nice effect of growing. You don't need so much flowers for this arrangement, that's also a nice thing. And you have on Lisianthus, you have like different branches on one stem, so that's always nice. So with a few stems you already have very quickly a nice arrangement. To make this arrangement now a little bit more catchy or a little bit more blinky, I have found these colored grasses. We're gonna take some iron wire, you turn it a few times around, you bring the two pieces together, and then you're gonna create like a needle. It's easier to put it in the floral foam. Put it like this inside. We bring all the grasses to the same direction. What is nice with this type of arrangement, you can use it like for a table decoration, you can put it somewhere else, like next to a picture from a person that is very important for you. But what is nice for a table decoration, this is only one, so I think that's a little bit boring. So I like always a little bit more color on my table. So I prepared already a few more, like this. And if you bring everything together, you put always the grasses in the same direction, that you got like a resting point in your arrangement, I call it. It brings peace and calm in the arrangement. If like here are all the flowers of the grasses and here only the stems. The center is full with the Lisianthus, so that's the heart of your arrangement. And then all the colors you got. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're gonna make this arrangement. You can also make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It's like you want it. So have fun with it.